TEMU is full of weird gadgets, but which ones actually make life better? See why these everyday essentials are must-haves for 2025 and how they can enhance your toolkit. This video highlights clever tools for the kitchen and smart home, focusing on items that stand out from the usual junk. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name, GoDonut Plus Plus. The GoDonut Plus Plus is a compact, all-in-one phone and tablet stand priced at around $24.99, now available in teal among other vibrant colors. It's designed to blend portability, style, and functionality in one sleek piece. 1. Built for thicker devices and a wide range of gadgets. Fitting devices up to 0.83 inch, nearly 21 mm, thick, it accommodates today's rugged, military-style protective cases. Compatible with most modern smartphones, including the latest Androids and iPhone 14, 15, 16 Pro Max, as well as tablets in landscape orientation. 2. Ideal hands-free viewing with charging access. Supports vertical or horizontal viewing, making it convenient for everything from video calls to browsing or eating while watching recipes. Includes a built-in cable slot in the back, so devices can charge normally when docked, no awkward repositioning. 3. Seamless gesture compatibility. The design purposely allows full use of on-screen gestures, swipe-up actions, etc., on edge-to-edge displays, without blocking access. Product 2. Product name, Kitchen Faucet. The Rue single-handle high-arc brushed nickel pull-out kitchen faucet is a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen, laundry room, RV, or bar setup. Designed with user convenience and modern aesthetics in mind, this single-level stainless steel faucet features a high-arc spout and a pull-down sprayer, making it ideal for a wide range of cleaning and filling tasks. Its brushed nickel finish offers a sleek, fingerprint-resistant surface that complements contemporary kitchen decor while being easy to maintain. Equipped with 3 water flow modes, stream, spray, and pours, this faucet provides flexibility for different washing needs, from rinsing vegetables to filling pots. The 360-degree swivel spout enhances maneuverability, especially useful in double-bowl sinks. Installation is simplified thanks to its pre-installed pull-down hose and water lines, allowing for a DIY-friendly setup. Built with durable materials and a ceramic cartridge for leak-free performance, the Rue faucet balances functionality, durability, and design, making it a top choice for efficient modern kitchens and compact spaces alike. Product 3. Product name, Centrio Ceramic Wax Warmer. The Centrio Ceramic Wax Warmer stands out as an exceptionally customizable and elegantly designed solution for home fragrance. Branded as the last wax warmer you'll ever need, this device offers an advanced feature set tailored to users who value precision and personalization. With personalized timer and temperature control, it allows you to fine-tune your fragrance experience using wax melts, essential oils, or scented tarts. This flexibility ensures optimal diffusion without overheating or waste. Crafted in a stylish taupe-fluted ceramic finish, the Centrio not only functions as a practical aroma diffuser but also serves as a decorative piece that blends seamlessly with a variety of home interiors. Whether you're setting the mood for relaxation or energizing your space, its high level of control and aesthetic appeal make it one of the most customizable and user-friendly wax warmers on the market today. Product 4. Product name, Backlit Nightlight. The Orvan plug-in LED backlit nightlight is a smart, energy-efficient lighting solution designed to provide subtle yet effective illumination in various areas of the home, including bedrooms, bathrooms, stairs, and hallways. Equipped with both motion and dusk-to-dawn sensors, this nightlight automatically turns on when low light conditions are detected or when motion is sensed, making it ideal for nighttime visibility without the need for harsh overhead lighting. What sets the Orvan nightlight apart is its dimmable feature, offering adjustable brightness levels from 1 to 50 lumens, allowing users to customize the light intensity to suit different environments or personal preferences. The warm white glow is soft and comforting, helping maintain a relaxed ambience, particularly important in sleeping areas or quiet nighttime spaces. Product 5. Product name, Pocket Folding Tabletop. The Joseph Pocket Folding Tabletop Ironing Board is a compact and innovative solution designed for homes where space is at a premium. Featuring a folding tabletop design, this ironing board transforms from a slim, stowable unit into a functional ironing surface in seconds. Its integrated iron holder keeps your iron secure and within easy reach, while the wall mount bracket allows for convenient vertical storage that saves valuable floor or closet space. With its modern gray and yellow color scheme, the board blends practicality with style. Ideal for apartments, small laundry areas, or dorm rooms, this ironing board redefines convenience with its space-saving, portable form factor and durable construction, making everyday ironing tasks both efficient and clutter-free. Product 6. Product name: Dyson Supersonic Origin Hair Dryer. The Dyson Supersonic Origin Hair Dryer is a premium hair care tool engineered for fast drying with minimal heat damage, ideal for users seeking salon-quality results at home. Leveraging Dyson's patented digital V9 motor, this hair dryer produces a powerful airflow while maintaining precise temperature control to protect natural shine and prevent extreme heat exposure. The Supersonic Origin features intelligent heat regulation, measuring air temperature 40 times per second to ensure consistent performance. With a balanced design and acoustic tuning, it offers a quieter, more comfortable drying experience. This model includes a streamlined set of essential attachments, such as the smoothing nozzle, making it perfect for users who want powerful performance without unnecessary extras. Its minimalist, high-tech build and proven efficiency continue Dyson's reputation for innovation in personal grooming technology. Product 7. Product name: My Mug Ice Cream Maker Machine. The My Mug Ice Cream Maker Machine, Aqua, is a compact and versatile soft-serve appliance designed for personal dessert creations right at home. Ideal for small batches, it features two freezer-safe bowls that allow users to make multiple servings of gelato, sorbet, frozen yogurt, or traditional ice cream with ease. Its built-in ingredient chute enables effortless mixing of toppings like chocolate chips, nuts, or fruit directly into the dessert, enhancing flavor and texture. With a user-friendly design, the My Mug is easy to clean, store, and operate, making it perfect for quick, mess-free indulgences. Its colorful, space-saving profile also suits dorm rooms, small kitchens, or offices, offering a fun and healthy way to enjoy customizable frozen treats anytime. Product 8. Product name: Professional Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. The Professional Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner is a powerful and efficient cleaning solution designed for delicate and intricate items such as jewelry, watches, retainers, eyeglasses, dentures, and coins. Operating at 45 kHz, this ultrasonic cleaner uses high-frequency sound waves to generate microscopic bubbles that thoroughly clean hard-to-reach areas without damaging sensitive surfaces. With a 550 milliliters, 20 ounces, capacity, it includes a basket and watch stand, allowing safe placement of various items during cleaning. Its adjustable power settings, digital timer, and LED light provide precise control and visibility, while the Degas mode enhances performance by removing trapped air from the liquid, ensuring deeper cleaning results. Whether for professional use or home care, this ultrasonic cleaner offers a convenient and hygienic way to restore shine and clarity to personal items. Product 9. Product name: Electrolux Rechargeable Fabric Shaver. The Electrolux Rechargeable Fabric Shaver is a modern and efficient solution for maintaining the appearance of clothes and upholstery. Designed with versatility and convenience in mind, this 3-speed electric lint remover effectively eliminates fuzz, pilling, and lint from various fabrics, including delicate clothing and upholstered furniture. Its sleek blue design is complemented by an LED display, which shows the operating mode and battery status, ensuring easy operation and monitoring. Unlike traditional manual lint removers, the Electrolux shaver features a rechargeable battery with a Type-C fast charging port, allowing for quick recharges and cordless use. This enhances its portability and makes it ideal for both home use and travel. With 3 adjustable speed settings, users can tailor the performance to different fabric types, ensuring gentle but thorough grooming. The shaver's precision blades and ergonomic build contribute to its overall performance and ease of use, making it an excellent tool for revitalizing garments and extending their lifespan. Product 10. Product name: Delomo Large Lint Rollers. The Delomo large lint rollers for carpet offer a practical and efficient solution for removing pet hair, dust, and debris from a variety of surfaces, including carpets, floors, car interiors, clothing, and upholstery. Featuring an extra-wide 9-point for 5-inch sticky roller and 3 extendable handle segments, this tool combines the reach of a mop with the powerful stickiness of a traditional lint roller. Its long handle eliminates the need to bend over, making it especially useful for large carpeted areas or hard-to-reach spots under furniture. Designed for both home and automotive use, the Delomo lint roller is a convenient, no-fuss alternative to vacuuming, ideal for quick cleanups and managing pet hair on a daily basis. Product 11. Product name: Jewel Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Hamilton Beach Jewel Breakfast Sandwich Maker with timer, Model 25490 MNA, building on the description you provided. Quick snapshot. Jewel cooking chambers let you prepare 1 or 2 breakfast, or lunch, dinner, sandwiches at once, great for couples, meal prep, or serving guests. Ready in about 5 minutes, thanks to a built-in countdown timer with an audible beep. Customizable fresh ingredients: eggs, cheese, bread, pre-cooked meat, veggies, ensure you know exactly what's going in. Easy clean and safe use. Removable parts are dishwasher safe and feature a PFAS-free non-stick coating. Compact dimensions, 10.5 W x 8D x 6H, and lightweight design, almost equals for 0.8 pound, make it easy to store. Product 12. Product name: Electric Lighter. An electric lighter is a modern, flameless alternative to traditional lighters, ideal for a wide range of applications such as lighting candles, aromatherapy setups, camping fires, and barbecue grills. Among these, the plasma lighter's windproof and flameless with Type-C charging model stands out for its innovative design and user-friendly features. It uses plasma arc technology, producing a high-voltage electric arc instead of a flame, making it completely windproof and splash-resistant, perfect for outdoor use in harsh conditions. This type of electric lighter includes a Type-C rechargeable battery, ensuring fast and convenient charging, while the double safety switch mechanism prevents accidental activation, enhancing safety during use and storage. Its sleek, ergonomic form and long, flexible neck, in many designs, make it especially effective for lighting hard-to-reach wicks in deep candle jars or fire pits. Product 13. Product name: Stainless Steel Fine Mesh Strainer. The stainless steel fine mesh strainer is a versatile and durable kitchen tool designed for precise filtering and straining tasks. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this fine mesh colander features an extra fine mesh that efficiently filters out even the smallest particles, making it ideal for skimming oil, grease, and foam from soups, broths, and sauces. Its sturdy construction ensures long-lasting use and resistance to rust and corrosion, even with frequent exposure to hot liquids. Equipped with a comfortable handle, this strainer provides a secure grip for easy handling and control during cooking and food preparation. Whether you need to strain fine particles from liquids or sift dry ingredients, the fine mesh strainer offers exceptional performance and convenience in the kitchen. Its sleek stainless steel finish also adds a professional look to your cookware collection. Product 14. Product name: Vago Garden Tomato Planter Box. The Vago Garden Tomato Planter Box is a versatile and practical gardening solution designed specifically for growing climbing vegetables like tomatoes. Featuring a built-in trellis, this self-watering raised garden bed supports healthy plant growth while minimizing maintenance. Its sage green finish adds a fresh, natural aesthetic to any garden or patio space. The planter box is also equipped with smooth rolling wheels, making it easy to move and reposition as needed for optimal sunlight or convenience. With its raised design, it improves drainage and soil quality, helping gardeners cultivate robust, productive tomato plants in a compact, manageable setup. Product 15. Product name: Multi-Eco Stand. The Yamazaki Home 6784 Kitchen Multi-Eco Stand is a sleek and practical solution designed to organize and manage plastic bags efficiently in any kitchen setting. Crafted with multifunctionality in mind, this plastic bag holder offers a simple yet elegant way to store, dispense, and recycle plastic bags, reducing clutter and promoting eco-friendly habits. Its minimalist white design complements modern kitchens while occupying minimal space. The holder can accommodate multiple bags simultaneously, making it easy to keep used bags neatly contained and ready for reuse. Its sturdy construction ensures durability, while the open-top design allows for quick insertion and retrieval of bags. Ideal for eco-conscious households, the Yamazaki Multi-Eco stand encourages recycling by turning plastic bags into a convenient storage resource, helping users reduce waste and stay organized. Whether placed on countertops or inside cabinets, this multifunctional plastic bag holder provides an efficient and stylish way to manage plastic bag storage, contributing to a tidier and more sustainable kitchen environment. Product 16. Product name Rapid Egg Cooker. The Rapid Egg Cooker is a versatile and convenient kitchen appliance designed to simplify egg preparation. With a 6-egg capacity, this electric cooker allows you to easily prepare hard-boiled eggs, poached eggs, scrambled eggs, or even omelets, all in one compact device. Its user-friendly design includes an auto shut-off feature that ensures safe cooking by preventing overcooking or overheating. The sleek black finish complements any kitchen decor, making it both a practical and stylish addition. Perfect for busy mornings or meal prep, the Rapid Egg Cooker offers quick, consistent results with minimal effort, helping you enjoy perfectly cooked eggs every time. Product 17. Product name Titanium Cutting Boards. Titanium cutting boards offer a durable and hygienic solution for everyday kitchen use, combining the strength of pure titanium with eco-friendly wheat straw polypropylene (PP). Measuring 18 inches and designed with a double-sided surface, these cutting boards provide versatile functionality for handling both meat and vegetables with ease. Crafted from food-grade materials, the boards ensure safety and resistance to odors and stains, making them ideal for diverse food preparation tasks. The incorporation of titanium not only enhances the cutting board's longevity and scratch resistance but also promotes a non-slip experience, ensuring stability during use. Lightweight yet robust, these cutting boards blend modern material technology with practical design, making them a premium choice for home cooks seeking a reliable, easy-to-clean, and environmentally conscious kitchen tool. Product 18. Product name Anti-Pull Dog Leash. The Anti-Pull Dog Leash by Leasher 2.0 in royal blue is a thoughtfully designed, heavy-duty leash ideal for large breeds and active dogs that tend to pull. Measuring 6 feet in length, it features a sturdy bungee section that helps absorb sudden pulls, reducing strain on both the dog and handler for a more comfortable walking experience. Equipped with 4 padded handles, it offers versatile grip options for better control in various situations, whether you need a close hold or a bit more slack. Built for durability, the leash includes strong carabiner clips and multiple rings to securely attach accessories or double leash setups. Its highly reflective material enhances visibility during low-light walks, promoting safety. For added convenience, the leash comes with an integrated poop bag holder and a treat pouch, making it easier to manage essentials on the go. Overall, this leash combines strength, comfort, and functionality, making it an excellent choice for owners of large dogs who want to maintain control without sacrificing ease of use.